Assalamu alaikum, dear viewer. We are setting off on a mouth-watering journey to savor the flavors of lasagna, a delightful Italian masterpiece. Get ready to indulge in layers of cheesy goodness and rich tomato sauce, coming together in perfect harmony. For the viewer who have recently subscribed to my channel, thank you so much, your support means the world to us. And I promise, your support will never be forgotten. And for the new viewer, if you enjoy this recipe, feel free to leave a like or subscribe for more delicious recipes. Let's get started and make this meal an unforgettable experience. Next, the ingredients. Check also the description box below for the full list. And remember, feel free to customize the ingredients according to your own taste and preferences. You can add more or fewer spices to suit your liking. We'll need 1 teaspoon of garlic and ginger powder. We'll need 1 teaspoon of salt. We'll need 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. We'll need 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. We'll need 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder. 2 green chilies, finely ground. 2 onions, chopped. 6 tablespoons of tomato puree. Deep frozen mixed vegetables, approximately 700 grams. But feel free to adjust according to your preference. "600 grams of chicken fillet cubes. But feel free to adjust according to your preference. Great! Now that we have all the flavorful ingredients gathered, it's time to embark on our delicious lasagna journey. Begin by adding a generous amount of oil to a heated pan. Once the oil is sizzling, gracefully introduce the finely sliced onions to the mix. Allow them to dance and sizzle in the pan, transforming into a lovely light brown hue over the next 7 minutes. Listen to the beautiful sizzling sound as the onions dance in the pan. After 7 minutes of perfect sautéing, it's time to add the succulent chicken cubes to the mix. Let them join the delightful dance and sizzle away for the next 5 minutes. Watch as they transform into tender, golden goodness, infusing the kitchen with their mouth-watering aroma. After 5 minutes, get ready to embark on a flavorful journey as we add the enchanting spices that will elevate our lasagna to a whole new level of deliciousness. Sprinkle in the bold and invigorating black pepper, infusing the dish with its distinct warmth. Then, the aromatic duo of ginger and garlic powders join the party, releasing their enticing fragrances and enhancing the overall taste. A pinch of salt, just enough to bring out the natural flavors of our ingredients. Followed by the fiery red chili powder, adding a delightful kick that will awaken your taste buds. The golden hues of turmeric, rich in color and health benefits. The green peppers. Their vibrant color and mild heat lend a delightful balance to our flavor palette. As we stir everything together, the kitchen comes alive with tantalizing scents, teasing your senses and setting the stage for a delightful dining experience. Now, the delightful mix of frozen vegetables takes the center stage, bringing their vibrant colors and wholesome goodness to the ensemble. We mix and cook everything together for the next 5 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, everything looks like this. The frozen vegetables have melted, and everything is starting to cook nicely. Now, let's add the tomato puree and cook it together for 5 minutes. The flavors will meld beautifully, creating a mouth-watering sauce that will elevate our lasagna to perfection. After 5 minutes, add 1 glass of water and cook everything for 3 minutes. The water will infuse the flavors, creating a rich and luscious sauce that will beautifully coat the ingredients. The lasagna sauce is ready. Now, let's move on to preparing the bechamel sauce for our lasagna. Set the stove on the lowest heat setting. Add some butter to the pan and let it melt slowly. Once the butter is almost melted, it's time to add the flour. Gradually sprinkle the flour into the pan while stirring continuously to avoid any lumps. This will help create a thick and velvety texture for our bechamel sauce. Keep stirring until the flour is fully incorporated and the mixture becomes smooth and fragrant. Once the butter has melted and the flour is fully incorporated, it's time to infuse our bechamel sauce with delightful flavors. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. These aromatic spices will create a symphony of tastes, making your sauce truly delectable. Now, as you slowly pour in 1.5 glasses of milk, continue to stir diligently to maintain that smooth consistency. It's normal to see a few lumps initially, but fear not. With each dedicated stir, those lumps will vanish, leaving behind a velvety and creamy bechamel sauce that's perfect for your lasagna. Remember, cooking is an art, and you have the creative freedom to adjust the ingredients to suit your unique taste and preference. So, don't be shy to make it your own. Take the baking dish and give the bottom a light coating of oil spray. Now, pour a generous amount of the delectable lasagna sauce, making sure it covers the entire bottom evenly. Next, add a luscious layer of the creamy bechamel sauce, creating a delightful contrast of flavors. Now, it's time to lay the lasagna pasta sheets gently on top of the sauces. Embrace the harmonious symphony of textures that awaits. Sprinkle a generous amount of grated cheese, infusing every bite with a heavenly taste. To elevate the experience further, introduce the earthy and savory charm of the mushrooms. Make sure you create distinct and artful layers, repeating the process with the lasagna sauce, bechamel sauce, pasta sheets, cheese, and mushrooms. Continue this tantalizing layering process until the baking dish is filled to perfection. Thank you so much for watching, and I promise that you and everyone you serve this dish to will truly enjoy it. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to leave a like. And remember to subscribe for more mouthwatering dishes on my channel. Your support means the world to us. Thank you in advance.